How to unsave a post on Reddit. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Reddit application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen, and in the menu that appears, tap on the saved option. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all your saved posts. So go ahead and scroll through the post that you want to unsave and then tap on the three dots beside the post. Now in the menu that appears, you will see the unsave option. Tap on that, and with this, the post will be unsaved. So this is how you can unsave a post on Reddit. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.